friends, good evening to all. Now let us discuss about the August 3rd week current affairs from 16 to 23 of August 2021. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Soil Learning Zone. From which year single-use plastics will be prohibited? 2022. How much amount has been allocated for self-help group by PM Narendra Modi? Rupees 1,625 crore. Which is the first Ramsar site in India? Haryana. Which state pollution control board has been ranked first in transparency? Odisha and Telangana. Who has inaugurated 7th IBSA Academic Forum? Rajkumar Ranjan Shah. Which organization has become co-organizer of International Climate Summit 2021? Invest India. Which bank has been partnered with ODEX to provide hassle-free credit solution? DBS Bank India. Which organization has launched a campaign to promote contactless payment? RuPay. Which organization has signed MOU with FDRVZ to bring e-spot market platform to FPOs? BEAM. What is the expansion of FDRVZ? Foundation for Development of Rural Value Chain. What is the expansion of FPO? Farmer Producer Organization. Which book has been authored by Jaideep Ardekar? Ram Rao. The Story of India's Farm Crisis. Which day has been observed as World's Pre-Diabetes Day? 14th August. Which day has been observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day? 14th August. Which state has been known as first Indian state to recognize community forest resource right? Chhattisgarh. In which state first drone forensic lab and research center has been inaugurated? Kerala. Which brand has been launched by Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs? San Chiraya. Which country has chaired BRICS Working Group on Agriculture? India. Which organization has released a report about minority schools in the country? NCPCR. What is the abbreviation of NCPCR? National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Which policy has been launched by PM Modi in the Investor Summit in 2021? National Automobile Scrappage Policy. Which bank has been topped in PSU banks in terms of loans? Bank of Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as President of Zambia? Hakainde Hichilema. Which Prime Minister of Malaysia has been resigned? Muhyiddin Yassin. Which is India's first and world's largest cattle genomic chip has been launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh? Indiegogo. Who has been ranked as second in World Athletic Men's Javelin Throw Ranking 2021? Neeraj Chopra. Which day has been celebrated as Manipur Patriot Day in 2021? August 13. What is the theme of 25th Independence Day in 2021? Nation first, always first. Which application has been launched by Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor? ProofApp. Which initiative has been launched by Maharashtra CM? E-Crop Survey Initiative. Which Finance Minister of Tamil Nadu presented revised budget estimate for financial year 2021 to 2022? PTR Palnivel Tyagarajan. Who has given assent to the Taxation Law Bill 2021? Ramnath Kovind. Which Navy exercise has been conducted between India and UK Navy? Exercise Konkan. In which place Konkan exercise has been conducted? UK. Which exercise has been conducted between India and Russia? Indra. In which place Indra exercise has been conducted? Russia. Which place was known as most polluted city in 2020 in the world? China. Who has addressed 60th SEO meeting of Agriculture Minister? Narendra Singh Tomar. Which naval exercise has been held between Indian Navy and US Navy? SEACAT 2021. In which place SEACAT 2021 was held? Singapore. Which organization has been tied up with RBL Bank and Visa for payment devices? Pay Nearby. Which portal has been launched by Karnataka government? Fruits portal. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador for Nutrilite? Mirabai Chanu. How much stock has been acquired in MBCPNL by ARTL? 49%. What is the expansion of MBCPNL? Maharashtra Border Checkpost Network Limited. What is the expansion of ARTL? Adani Road Transport Limited. Which species has been identified in Kerala? Wild balsam species. Which book has been authored by Rohinton Fall Nerman? Discordant Nordens, the voice of dissent in the last court of resort. Which state has become first Indian state to provide smart health card? Odisha. Which state has signed memorandum of agreement with NIPCO for development of two hydro projects? Arunachal Pradesh. Which scheme has been introduced by Jammu and Kashmir? Karkandar scheme. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador for adventure tourism in Kerala? PR Srijesh. How much amount has been allocated for HAL? Rupees 5375 crore. Which program has been launched by UN Women and My Government? Amrit Mahotsav Shri Shakti Challenge. Which program has been launched by Dassault System Foundation? Student Entrepreneurship Program 3.0. Which maritime exercise has been held between Indian Navy and Royal Bahrain Navy? Bahrain. Which IIT has been collaborated with MORTH for road safety planning and intelligent transport system? IIT Madras. Which platform has been launched by Kotak Mahindra Bank? DIY Digital Repayment Platform. Which bank has been allowed to issue new credit cards by RBI? HDFC Bank. How much amount has been allocated for market capitalization by TCS? Rupees 13 lakh crore. Which award has been conferred by Minister of Commerce and Industry? National Intellectual Property Award. How much application has been launched by Department of Science and Technology? 3 application. Which scheme has been launched by Chhattisgarh government for landless workers? Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Bhumihin Majdur Nyaya Yojana. Which organization has signed pact with BSNL for high-speed internet access to NER USOF? What is the abbreviation of USOF? Universal Service Obligation Fund. Which country has signed joint guidance document with Australia to boost naval ties? India. Which ministry has signed MOU with Make My Trip Private Limited, IBIBO Private Limited, Tourism Ministry? In which place India and Vietnam has been conducted bilateral maritime exercise? South China Sea. Which organization has signed agreement with remote sensing satellite data sharing? BRICS nation. BRICS abbreviation: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Which scheme has been launched by Health Minister? Arogya Dhara 2.0. Which country has ranked second in terms of crypto adoption in the world? India. Which organization has launched pilot run of International Bullion Exchange? IFSCA, International Financial Service Center Authority. Who is the owner of DMart? Radhakrishna Damani. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Newburgh Dynastic? MS Dhoni. Who has been appointed as caretaker president of Afghanistan? Amrullah Shah. Who has won RTO Open 2021? Alexander Danchenko. Which German footballer has been passed away? Gerd Müller. How many districts and tehsils has been formed in Chhattisgarh? 4 districts and 18 tehsils. Which challenge has been launched by Rajnath Singh? Defense India Startup Challenge. In which exam women will be allowed to appear for exam? NDA exam. Which bill has been passed by President Ramnath Kovind? Constitution Bill. Which highway has become first EV friendly highway? Delhi Chandigarh Highway. How much amount has been allocated for ASK Emerging Opportunities Fund? Rupees 1000 crore. How much amount has been allocated to Guinea by Exim Bank? $210 million. What is the GDP growth rate of India in 2022 by INRA rating? 9.4%. Which technology alliance has been launched by Intel India and Sen IIT Bombay Plug-in Alliance? Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Indian Bank? Shanti Lal Jain. Which technology has been developed by DRDO for Indian Air Force? Advanced Draft Technology. Which species of cascade frog has been discovered in Arunachal Pradesh? Amalops adicola. Which athlete coach has been passed away? OM Nambiar. Which day has been observed as Sadbhavana Divas in 2021? August 20. Which day has been observed as World Mosquito Day in 2021? August 20. Which festival has been celebrated in Assam? Vanchua Festival. In which place of Assam a Center of Excellence has been set up? Guwahati. Which amendment has got the assent of the President? General Insurance Business Amendment. In which place largest floating solar PV project has been inaugurated? Shimadri. Which was renamed Kokori Train Action by Government? Kakori Kand. Which solution has been launched by Razorpay and Capital Float? Buy now, pay later solution. Which deposit has been unveiled by HDFC Bank? Green and Sustainable Deposit. Which index has been released by HDFC Life Freedom Index? Which bank has been partnered with USAID and DFC partners? Kotak Mahindra Bank. How much amount has been allocated for Kotak Mahindra Bank? $50 million. Which species has been discovered in Andaman and Nicobar Island? Acetabularia Jalakanyakai. What is the mascot of Tokyo 2020 Summer Paralympic Games? Som Aichi. When the Tokyo 2020 Summer Paralympic Games has been held? 24th August to 5th September 2020. Which footballer of India has been passed away? Chinmay Chatterjee. Which day has been observed as World Senior Citizen Day? August 21. Which scheme has been approved by Arunachal Pradesh to Agriculture and Horticulture Credit Linked Scheme? Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.